Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move your plants and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to move a plant, we need an item called trowel, this one. And to get this item, you need to go to the gear shop. You can buy the trowel from here, from this shop. You can talk to George and you're going to buy the trolley here. Wait, where is it? Okay, this one, but now it's out of stock, so we need to wait. But I already have one, so I'm going to show you guys how we can use this trowel. Okay, I'm going to move this pineapple. Okay, we can rotate or we can move, and I'm going to move it here. Okay, you can look for a location to place the moved plants. Okay, I'm gonna move it here. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how we can move a plant and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.